Can I get a patent globally? Patent rights are basically country specific and one cannot get patent globally. For global protection, one can file an international application through PCT, that is Patent Cooperation Treaty, which is administered by World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. You need to designate multiple countries where you want the protection. Applications filed under PCT will never be granted as a patent, as each country has its own patent law and regulations for granting a patent. Still, to obtain a protection across multiple countries, it is advisable to proceed with PCT or international filing rather than national filing. The advantages of PCT filing are: if you file an international application, it is possible to get a patent protection in one or more countries among the 160 member countries. One can get a priority date, which is nothing but date of first filing of patent application. You will be the first to file and the date will be claimed. Offers enough time to explore the commercial benefits of the invention. Provides ISR, that is International Search Report, and written opinion of the invention, based on which you can make decision to proceed with individual countries. By filing the PCT application, you will have 30 or 31 months time to file a national phase application. For example, when you file a patent application through PCT, if you are entering into India, then you need to file a national phase patent application within 31 months, else the application will become inactive or dead. DexPatent is an intellectual property research and patent analytics company meeting the needs of global business, professional and academic customers. For more than a decade, DexPatent has been adding value to Fortune 500 companies, large law firms, university technology departments, and startups in the process of creating IP and protecting it. DexPatent serves its customers from India, USA, UK, and UAE.